Hello Dave, hi, how are you? Hi. So this video is just for you. So I'm gonna just go over the things that we learned from the lessons and things we fixed, things we worked on, and also the drills that help you to work on the things we worked on. So here's the things I'm gonna go over the stuff that we talked about during the lesson. Okay, number one, we were having trouble with the hooking. So the reason why that was that we found out that your grip was a little too strong. Now, when we say too strong means our grip was like too over. Your left hand was too over. So when this happens, you know the range of motion to closing the club face is greater than you can open. On the other hand, if your grip is weak, you have more range of motion opening the club face than close. So neutral means when the range of motion is same both directions. Okay. Now everybody's different because their hand, the line of their body is all different. But for you, basically, if you want to check what their neutral grip is, just basically hold the grip, just turn both ways and see if the range of motion is the same. Okay. So that's what we talked about. Because our grip was too strong, our tendency was to close too much. Okay. Because at impact, what happens is that your left wrist want to be flat. But when it's closed, when your grip is too strong, the tendency is closed at impact. So to prevent that, we compensate holding the club too long, which makes it open the club and sometimes it goes to right. Okay. The second thing we talk about where your hand location. Okay. So if you see the ball here, when we take a posture, put the club here. So before your hand was this is how your routine was. The hand comes here. You notice that there's an angle, okay? Now what happens is if we naturally hang our left arm, it falls around here, right? Right, maybe just on top of my left thigh. Now from here, all you gotta do is just bring the club to your hand and grip it. And you can see from here that it's on a straight line, okay? Then just place your right hand, and swing from there, okay? So two things we talk about to make it more consistent in your swing. First one, make sure our grip is neutral. Make sure we have both range of motion on both sides, closing, open. This is not open and close, okay? This is not open and close. Open and close is open and close, okay? Rotation of your forearm. Now, the placement is also important. Why? Because if your hands are in the middle of the dress, impact, if you move forward, now what happens to the club? It's open, right? That's why when we grip the club, we want to make sure the club in the right position, grip it. Now when you make impact, the club is square. You see that? So work on these two things, and as you can see at the end of our lesson, you're gonna hit much better. Well, not much better, but more consistent basis. Okay. Now, how we work on it, like we talked about. For a grip, just find it where it's the same range of motion. Okay. And when you go to mirror, just work on this a lot. Get used to it. Hold it. 1, 2, and grip. 3. One more time. Hold your right hand. Walk toward the ball. Make a stance. Hang your left arm. Bring the club to your left hand. Grip. Done. Okay? So if you can do this take 5 minutes or 10 minutes of your time every day, then your body will adjust to that posture. Okay? Thanks, Dave. And if you have any question, just call me or text me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.